Hey, whoever in that queue right there is shitting on you, bro.
Nah, mine's sitting on the ground. I'm cool with that.
They shitting on you.
Damn, I look like shit. Damn, the camera dirty. Okay. Turn that off. Welcome back to a new video. My bad about not posting though, cause I've been slacking. But yeah, hopefully we get some content today. There go my boy right there. And my other boy, damn, both of them pulling up at the same time. I'm vlogging right now.
Should've, but I didn't. Bro, I was going home, take a shower, and take a shit.
That shit look good dirty. But you don't like to be on camera, right?
Fuck you, bitch.
Tucking.
They gonna be like, who that nigga with a haircut now?
Right, both of y'all too. Both of y'all cut your hairs. Well, you cut yours before you left, right? Yeah. Yeah, the camera got both of y'all. You got a shit that bad?
Yeah. You gonna go?
Bruh, take one right there.
No. Bitch, you wanted to get that on video. Fuck you, bitch. So he was getting shot at. He was getting chased by the police. You know what I mean? He had a
look, he gonna steal my car. Get out! Yes, sir. We on the way to the meet. Hopefully all goes well.
Money color peacock, thuggin' in my Reebok. Cut the dreads and relock. Butt the feds, I butt the feds, you butt the feds and link up. I'ma see but my diamonds V cut. Gotta despise the free lunch. I don't want nothing free. Bring me a Cardi B, nickname Cardiac, making it hard to match. I whip me hard to bet. I took every loss, I knew I was gon' win for them battle. Young nigga with the crazy crew, they think you playin' with the devil. Like any true, you like the same to the devil. Keep the stick like crazy glue, but I had to put it together. Moose ain't baby blue, I blew more chains on the leather. Young nigga move like baby roof, you know I swing with the metal. Deja vu, I been upgraded from hell. I got the finger phone booth, I'm getting through the details. Ain't ain't boo, I hit the trap with a special. Like the New York Times, you spot, you gon' play with a step. Megan, you know you ain't created that anthem. See, I'd rather go blind, I swear, ain't trying to see it in detail. You say ain't boo, I ran it up in my shell. You say ain't baby, you say ain't boo. You say ain't boo, I'm coming fast when I'm in him. You in that bathing suit, gon' have some problems when I get him. You in that bathing suit, I'ma buy some condoms before I get him.
This shit will wax both of them shits.
This is 2JZ?
Yeah, it's definitely a 2J. Not gonna lie, that shit pretty clean though. Even with the oil leaks, it's clean. We had the meat before the meat.
The meat at O'Reilly's.
Yeah.
Hi! Hi, we're some Pisces.
Jesse.
Yo, give me that.
Let me get that, bro.
Reach.
But just give, man. Here you go.
Alright, man, just reach over it. It goes out by an inch.
Ha, chill. Ha. Look at it, man. Move.
Hopefully this is a takeover, man. Winston's supposed to be put on the map after this.
I'm saying.
We ain't put it nowhere now. Nope. For real.
What? Hey, if this shit lame as fuck, I'm going home. I'm telling you now, I'm going fucking home.
We at the meet now. Pulled up deep. Favorite car right there, huh?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
The one and only, bro.
Oh, yeah. Jenny. I got you, bro. I got you. Lata, me voy a dar vuelta, mira. Hey, I think I know.
I'm running 295.
Let me see the camera.
Go ahead, bro.
Think I'm vlogging now, too?
We here. Oh shit! Somebody alert. I ain't gonna lie, that shit dope. That shit dope. My bad, bro. I just gotta introduce myself. My name is the Mouster, and we're probably gonna do the same thing we did in Greensboro, but you know, hopefully we get some more people out here to do it with us.
I got you with the GoPro.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, it's not gonna be with the GoPro. We can start something.
That's what I'm saying. Like, that's what I'm saying.
I'm recording, bro, you know?
Cause I know if I started off, Chris might join in. He might.
Join, bro. You know,
He might join in.
Smoke that nigga for that shit. That nigga got a fake.
All right, until the action starts. Bye. That boy mad. Hey, that boy mad over there.
What you doing, bro? I'm getting my music right. Alright. Well, what you finna go do, bro? Nothing. What you finna go do, huh? Nothing.
I'll go after y'all. No, you don't go before it. Let me go after y'all. Let me go after y'all. I'll be behind y'all. Swear to God. I'll go get it right now and fall behind y'all.
Fine. I'll do it myself.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, look at that. That shit look perfect.
Okay.
location, bro. I don't know where Maui ended at, but I ended up here. Just hiding. New spot. You need tires again, huh? Fit me right there. I was looking at it in the freeway.
Put your credit card in there. It ain't gonna fit. Yeah. Look at that. Put your fingers in there.
Oh!
Spacers on spacers. Jesse, how do you think that came out, bro?
What? Oh, that was good.
Think it came out good?
Yeah, I got it all.
Okay, good.
Yeah, for sure.
Better. That shit been
Did you get us running from a cop?
Huh?
Did you get us running from a cop?
Yeah, I was recording. Like,
I'm recording. I didn't know where I'm going, bro. I'm in everybody there. It was a broke plastic piece. It wasn't that big. Why did niggas go down like that? Damn. Subscribe to Brandon's channel, aka Maui, aka Big Dick, aka Bigfoot, aka Moana, aka my daddy.
What did he say?
Let the band play.
Uno, dos, tres, 4, 5, 6, 7. I was once told real gangsters go to heaven. 8, 9, 10, 11. I spent 90 racks on an old land Chevy. Call me bumping jumps like I hit up and kept on stepping. Look at Luciano, where I'm from, I make shit happen. Pull up foreign snatches, I got a thing for fashion. I told her let's go to dinner, go get dressed and keep it classy. Under investigation, too many problems, too much ballin'. I took 7 million and buried it out there by the water. Marlena smoking cushion, drinking coffee. Once she cross me, I might whack you, so don't call me. She bad, so I bent her over like a doggy. I cut him off because he worthless, now he salty. I got a thing for bad bitches when they bossy. Hustle till I'm dead, I get some sleep in the coffin. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. 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 I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit yeah. Lately I've been hearing a lot of voices in my head. Damn. It woke me straight up out my sleep and said go buy a lamb. You ain't shit if your son don't wanna be just like his daddy. 20 racks, bust down, Cartier glasses. You got bitch habits, I got money habits. I tried to spare that pussy, fuck 'em, let 'em have it. I only fuck with my kind, yep, I'm selfish. I can't kick it with a fuck nigga, you a peasant. Riding around in my double is all with my effing. Something very icy, always on my left hand. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit right. 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 I'ma keep stacking this shit until all this shit